Good morning students. In this video, I will continue line-wise explanation of the chapter The Thief's Story. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Now, before stealing Anil, Hari Singh was thinking in his mind to rob a greedy man is easy for him to rob Anil because a greedy man can afford to be robbed. He could be easily robbed and he afford also. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Hari Singh was thinking in his mind, if he would rob Anil, the Anil will not be sad for being stolen, for being robbed, but he will be sad due to breaking of the trust. Whatever trust he used to show upon Hari Singh, he will repent for that. He will not repent, he will not regret over the loss of money, but he will regret over the loss of trust, whatever he had for Hari Singh. So it was very difficult to rob Anil for Hari Singh. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he is being robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. If Anil will be robbed by Hari Singh, so he will not think that he had been robbed, and because he trusted Hari Singh very much, and that's why takes all the pleasure out of work. So he will get pleasure without any work. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Now Hari Singh was thinking in his mind, now I am going to do a real work. Real work means he was going to steal Anil. The real profession of the Hari Singh was stealing and robbing, and now today he was going to rob Anil. It means he was going to do the real work. I told myself, he said to himself. Hari Singh said to himself that now he is going to do his real work. I am out of practice, and if I don't take money, he will only waste it on his friends. Hari Singh was thinking that he had not stolen for a long time, so he was out of practice. It means he was away from stealing the people for a long period of time. And he was also thinking that if he will not steal Anil, then he will spend whole money over his friends, because Anil does not give much importance to money. He used to spend the money very lavishly on his friends. So he knew it well that if he will not steal his money, then he will spend all his money over his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. And Hari Singh was thinking that he does not give me any salary. If I will not steal this money, he will spend whole money over his friends, and he will not pay him for his service, whatever he was doing in the house of Anil. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Now Anil was sleeping on the balcony. He was sleeping very soundly. Beam means a ray of light. A ray of moonlight was falling on the balcony, and from the balcony it was falling on the bed where Anil was sleeping. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. Hari Singh was not sleeping. Anil was sleeping soundly, but Hari Singh was sitting on the floor, and he was planning for the theft. He was thinking the situation, which situation would be suitable to steal Anil. If I took the money, I could catch 10:30 express to Lucknow, and slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Hari Singh was sitting near the Anil. He was sitting on the floor. He was thinking that if he will be able to steal Anil's money, then he could easily catch 10:30 Lucknow Express. And thinking this, he slipped out, came out from the blanket, and very quietly he went to the bed where Anil was sleeping.